Hey guys, John from Titan here, and today I want to talk to you guys about Hercules Potion. We get a lot of questions about Hercules Potion. What's in Hercules Potion, John? How's it going to work and how's it going to help me? So let's talk about Hercules Potion and talk about what's in it and how it's going to benefit you. So Hercules Potion has glutamine, it's great for recovery. It has L-citrulline and arginine, which are great for blood flow, vasodilation, and muscle pumps. It also has ornithine, which is a great anti-fatigue amino acid. It's going to let you do long, strenuous activity. Longer strenuous activity should help benefit you in the results you're trying to get, whether it's endurance, lifting more weights for a longer, strenuous point of time, right? It also has NAC, which is great for liver protection. It has taurine, it's great for brain function. Lysine, it helps keep that immune system boosted. We know that putting strain and going into the gym or doing this strenuous activity is putting strain on our bodies, which will also put strain on the immune system. You don't want that immune system breaking down, right? So this is going to help that. It has L-CARNITINE. L-CARNITINE is going to benefit you in weight loss, blood flow, and a lot of different other things. So Hercules Potion is like your overall, I would say, not a pre-workout, but something you would take before strenuous activity or long days per se. So we have a lot of patients that use it for a lot of different things, including myself. I love it, and I will not train without it. But Hercules Potion is great for a paddleboarder that's going to go out there and paddleboard for a long period of time. It's great for a hiker that's going to be out there and hiking for long periods of time, right? If you're in there and you're trying to run and you're trying to do longer endurance periods running, this can help with that. It also benefits you in the recovery process. We know glutamine is good for recovery. It's been around for a long time. So with this, you're getting a higher absorbency, a faster transportation rate, which entailed to give you a better result in whatever you're trying to accomplish in health or fitness, guys. These things right here are a great blend that will give you a lot of different benefits. These benefits entail will give the results like I just said. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you great muscle pumps, it's going to help with recovery, it's going to help protect the immune system, the liver, it's going to give you great brain function, right? It's going to let you work out longer periods of time or do more strenuous activity, then Hercules Potion is definitely the amino acid injectable blend for you. Now, Hercules Potion is only a niche blend that Titan Medical Center offers for its patients. So if you're interested in Hercules Potion or you want to become a patient, please just call or text us at 727-389-3220. Also, check us out at titanmedicalcenter.com. You can also learn more about Hercules Potion and all of our other therapies on our YouTube channel. Just check out Titan Medical Center. And our social media platforms, we got all that great content, videos, pictures. You're gonna love it. Instagram, Titan Medical, and Facebook, Titan Medical Center. Also check out Twitter and Snapchat, guys. I'm John from Titan. It's been great explaining Hercules Potion. And if you guys have any more questions, please feel free to contact us. We love you guys. Thank you. I'm out.